In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create privacy policy page for WordPress website and how to add on website. First, I'm going on my WordPress website. You can see here are no privacy policy web page available. So just go to WordPress admin panel, then click on appearance, then click on menus. So you can see here are no page available, so just go to page, then click add new page. So here are privacy policy. All right, this is the font size. Okay, that's good. So here are privacy policy generators. So I'm using the first link, start privacy policy generator. Continue. Okay, that's good. Select website, next step, then paste your website URL, then what your website name. So I type messages. So I am an individual, then select your country and state. So I write Florida. Next step, email address. Next step, by email. So here are type hello at the red dot. Just remove this one. This is my okay, that's good. Next step, okay, that's good. Copy, then go to here, then here are type HTML code. Just paste, then click on preview. You can see here are long privacy policy I already generate using this website. So lots of website available on Google, they are provide free privacy policy generator. So I'm again going on another web page. So you can see this is the same method. So I skip this one, then go to again another one, then click on generate privacy policy. Anyway, if you want to save this one, just click on publish, then this privacy policy generate and publishing done. If you click on this publish button, so just click on publish, again click on publish. So you can see how I create privacy policy page on WordPress website. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.